the highway, and I don't break the law, but I live it my way. First you give me respect, and then you get it back. You look like the police, then you should have my back. Tell me, what's the reason for the stop now? About to get my wallet, don't get me shut down. About to get my wallet.
I need a license plate number check.
I got pulled over by a dirty cop. 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 Use a dirty cop. Use a dirty cop. Use a dirty cop. Use a dirty cop. He turned his lights on and I moved over to the right. Damn, I see a dirty cop coming up with a scam. He said I didn't use my signal when I made a right. I got